Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to turn off two-step authentication in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here at shopify.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account in the upper right corner. So go ahead and log into your Shopify account. After successfully logging in, now you'll be greeted by all the sections right here that we can use for editing our store, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and get started to see how to turn off two-step authentication. So what we're going to do first is go right here at the left side screen, all the way down, click the settings icon. After clicking the settings icon, this is now going to open up this new settings menu where we can find all the menu options we have. At the left side screen, you want to go ahead and find this last option right here that says My Store Admin. So go ahead and click My Store Admin. After clicking My Store Admin, this is now going to open up this new menu where we can go and take a look at all the admin options we have for our store. And if you click Security right here at the left side screen, as you can see after clicking Security, now this is going to go ahead and show us all the options we have for our store. And here, if you scroll down, you'll find an option that says two-step authentication. So you can see it's currently turned off. So if you have to turn it on or you want to turn it on, you can click this button. And if you have it turned on already, you can just click to turn it off and then complete the steps to turn it off by inputting your password. And that's how to successfully do it. But yeah, guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching today's video. Hope I'll see you in the next one, and bye.